Maui Taylor-born Maureen and Tupaz Fainson. The 28th of June 1983 is a Filipino actress and former member of Viva Hot Babes. Taylor entered the entertainment industry with the aid of a cousin who is a member of a dance group in the Philippines. At age 14, she was cast in the Filipino TV soap opera Ana Karenina, leading to other roles in various films and television shows. Her first main role came in the sitcom Cool Kalang 1998 to 2003. She also appeared in Back to School Buccal at the same time. However, it was her controversial performance in the 2001 erotic film Tataran, inspired by national artist Nick Joaquin's story, The Summer Solstice, that catapulted her to fame, shedding her previously demure and wholesome image. Her first starring role in the movie Gamiton grossed almost $70 million at the local box office. She also starred in the film Hibla with Rica Paralejo in the same year. In April 2003, she co-starred in the sex comedy Sex Drive with Katya Santos and Wendell Ramos. Taylor followed up with the movie Ang Huling Berhan Sa Lupa, where her performance was well received, earning her a Best Actress nomination, which eventually went to her co-star Ara Mina. Later in 2003, she starred in Masamang Ugat and Bugbog Sarado, as well as a cinematography collection called Sex Goddess. Taylor was a former member of the Viva Hot Babes, a group of actresses and models created in 2003 by Viva Entertainment founder Vicente Del Rosario Jr. The original group included fellow actresses Katya Santos, Andrea Del Rosario, Christine Jacka, Cherie Gwen Garcia, Jean Rosendahl, Miles Hernandez, and Hazel Cabrera. In 2012, Taylor returned to acting in the South Korean film The Taste of Money as the tragic maid of a wealthy conglomerate family. Personal life, Taylor opted to go low-key after working as an actress for several years in order to focus on her personal life. She and her non-showbiz partner, Anton Sabare, have two sons, Antoine Miguel and Mateo Alonso. Maui Taylor born Marine in Tupaz Fainson, is a Filipino actress, model, and singer known for both mainstream and bold cinematic roles. She debuted at 14 in the TV soap opera Ana Karenina, later gaining prominence as an original member of Viva Hot Babes. Her breakout came with films like Gamitan and Hibla 2002 and Anggi Huling Berhan Sa Lupa 2003, which earned her a Best Actress nomination. Internationally, she appeared in the South Korean film The Taste of Money 2012. Beyond acting, she is a YouTuber, social media influencer, and mental health advocate. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 Vlogs. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 Vlogs.